Jason constructed 2 cylinders using solid metal washers. The cylinders have the same height, but one of the cylinders is slanted as shown. Which statement is true about Jason's cylinders? Okay, so before we get started, if we use the same number of washers, I think a lot of you will understand they have the same volume. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mark out anything that says they have different volumes. So now I just need to figure out why they have the same volume. All right, so C says the cylinders have the same volume because each of the washers has the same height. Well, that's not necessarily going to give you the same volume, because what if you had one really big washer and one little washer, but they both had the same height? That wouldn't give you the same volume. D says the cylinders have the same volume because they have the same cross-sectional area at every plane parallel to the base. That's actually what you want. That's called Cavalieri's principle. It says that if you take every cross-section, and the cross-section in this case would be a washer, and you find the area of those washers, the area of each of those would be the same, so they have the same volume.